This box here has a cage, metal cage. Oh yeah, we got a Ford RS5. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, lightly tap that subscribe button down below. If you guys do enjoy the content, smash that like button and show your support down in the comment section below. In this episode, we're working on the RS5 and we're basically doing anything we can. There's just a ton of work and let's get right into it. The first thing we're gonna do is replace the airbag on the seat. So the seat airbag blew, as you guys can tell right here, and we got two new ones. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this panel, figure out how this works. Actually, you know what? We actually figured it out off camera because we're smart. So we fixed one seat off camera, and the second one, we're gonna show you guys the procedure of it. That seat right there is already repaired and fully functioning. It's perfect. Look at that. Actually came together super nice. This is the side that was blown, and you can't tell anything. Pretty cool how Audi designed this.
You don't have to get the seat sewed.
You don't have to get the seat sewed. It's really nice, and it looks absolutely perfect. Oh yeah. So first things first, you come over here and you just start skinning this sucker. It's gonna come off. Trust me, it took a lot of checking and guessing to make sure. There it is. There it is. What?
The Ford sign on the badge.
Oh yeah, we got a Ford RS5. Okay, so there it is. And then this side is like that. There's a little thing right here. So this goes down and over, and then it comes out the bottom. So we can take out the bottom. We can work on this strap here. And looking inside the seat, you guys see that massage elements, all those air suspensions. Pumps. Yeah, air suspensions in the seat. And let me get this off, bro. This one's like squished. So this piece comes up, slides down and out. There's a little groove for this. This is a little tutorial, quick tutorial, because we got a ton of work. Quick tutorial on how this works. Boom. So these pieces here, they break, 1, 2. You can either repair them or you can purchase new ones. There's a part number here. You can purchase just this. That's all you need. So we're gonna repair them for now, and if things get worse, we're gonna swap them out. They're super easy to swap out. You can swap them out right inside the car, but we're gonna repair them and put them together right now. We repaired that one and it's pretty darn sturdy. If we have any issues whatsoever, then we're gonna go ahead and get new ones. Box within a box, and this box here has a cage, metal cage,
chicken wire coop.
Chicken wire coop. And watch this. Hang on.
It's metal.
It won't hold it.
Hey, this sucker's like,
It won't hold it. Watch out, let me see. No, it's too heavy.
yeah, what's the point of how it adjusts?
Right, airbag. So this seat is done.
Really?
Yeah, it's done. It's
ready
fully
to go?
done. It's looking OEM, it's perfect. Lined back it up into its original spec, nice and tight.
As if nothing ever happened.
Nothing actually ever happened. This is just like a seat, the model.
Replacement?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So right now, I am just covering up any bare metal. Any I grinded down. I took down all the extra paint from, you know, when we were welding. If it burned off any paint, I went through with the wire wheel, took everything off. Went ahead and painted all the bare metal in to make sure there's no rusting. Here I actually seam sealed it, which is not supposed to be seam sealed, but I went ahead and seam sealed it just to cover up any kind of, if there was going to be any issues, cover up some of the welds and just kind of make it look nice and flush, since all this was spot welded before and we did, what are they called, plug welds. It looks a little bit different, so we kind of seam sealed it. It looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and put the 2 current airbags on right now. We're gonna just continue working forward, probably start working with the rear end. I don't know, we have a lot of stuff to do, so we'll see where we are. Just keep working. Hey, what was that?
I don't know.
Why'd you hit me? So as you guys seen, we prepped the outer panel here, the inner panel here, and I started welding in this inner panel, started tack welding it up, and we ran out of argon. So for the day we are basically wrapped up. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. First thing in the morning, we're gonna take this right here, big Badula off. We're gonna go ahead into central welding, get that thing refilled or exchanged for one that is full, come back here and get this thing fully welded in, because we have a lot of seam seal work to do, a lot of grinding, a lot of paint work to do. So we're trying to get at least this inside of the stuff finished. So, you know, get this all seam sealed up, painted in. Don't know how it's gonna go. We run into issues all the time. So catch you guys tomorrow getting this argon tank here refilled. Good morning. Got the little argon tank loaded up, and oof. Let's go refill it. Well, we just pulled through. Here's the central welding supply right there. They got all them tanks and everything over there. But anyways, we just rolled through, got ours swapped out. I know my car's a mess, but there's the fully loaded one. Let's go back to the shop, install that sucker, and get to welding. We're back at the shop now. We got this sucker refilled. Look here, look here, look here. Ready? Full tank. And we're gonna go ahead and probably put you guys on time lapse and get this whole entire thing welded in. Let's send it. Guys, we are basically just about ready for seam sealing. Went ahead and knocked down all the welds that were a little bit high. This kind of stuff right here, the seam sealer will cover up and it'll be absolutely perfect. We're gonna go ahead and seam seal inside, outside, because we're prepping this trunk area right here to get painted. As soon as this trunk area is painted, we can grab all that wire harness right there, which is like probably a mile length of wires. I don't know how to say that, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put all this back in here, assemble it where it needs to be, put the battery back in here. That's kind of our goal for this episode, at least, because this trunk area is a mess and we want to organize it. That's gonna go ahead and de-stress us a little bit. But let's get this thing masked off and seam sealed and then paint it up. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour. Our seam sealer has tackened up enough to get it painted on the inside. So right here, I've been actually just trying out some techniques right here on trying to replicate the factory look. And we have a little bit of too much green over there. I painted it, I primed it, all the bare metal and stuff like that. But we'll get this thing right now laid out, and we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, try to replicate the original look. We have a bunch of cans of paint here. We have primer, which is, or that's not primer, primer right here. And then we have some Easy Coat green. We have 2 shades of Easy Coat green. Then we have some gray. We have 2 coats of different kind of gray, and then black for the oversprayed black look. So let's go ahead and get this thing roughly masked off, get this whole entire thing sprayed in. We're gonna let this sit overnight, and I guess we'll catch you guys then. So let's go ahead and get this thing painted in. Yo, this looks absolutely phenomenal. Take a look inside here. We got everything painted in. We got it clear coat protected. Make sure there's no chipping, nothing like that. Everything's blent, super perfect. Like, take a look inside here. You know, we changed that back panel over there. We went ahead and blent it up inside there. And then, oof, this looks great. The seam seal work, everything just looks absolutely stunning. We cannot touch this just yet. It is wet, but we're gonna go ahead and leave this off over here. We have a ton of work on the vehicle, and we're gonna be flying right through it, like I say in every single episode. So stay tuned for the next episode. We're gonna probably start assembling the majority of this interior back here and just continue working on the car. Honestly, there's so much things we can do on the car. We have no idea where to start or where to end in these episodes. We just work, work, and work. But we're gonna go ahead and leave you guys off right here on this episode. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching these videos to the very end. If you guys are still here, show some support in the comment section down below by commenting BYB Squad. Follow me on Instagram at BYBTim. Follow Ed the editor at BYBEd. And I'm gonna leave you guys off right here. The next one is the best one. Peace out and smash that subscribe button.